up, guys? Can y'all hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. We about to have one hell of a live stream. I need to know if y'all can hear the music. Make sure I pull mine. I have to pull my chat up. I can see on here. It's supposed to. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me figure something out real quick. Let me figure something out real quick. Okay. Gotta figure out. Gotta pull my chat up. For some reason it's not pulling up over here. So give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. But how y'all doing today? How are y'all doing today? It is a beautiful Saturday. It's raining here, but nevertheless, it's a beautiful Saturday. You know, we're alive, we're breathing. So we just have to you know, be glad about that and celebrate. But my Lord, do we got a lot to talk about this week? Turn the music down. Okay, let me do that. It's crazy that it's loud. Like it's barely up. Y'all probably finna get ear-raped a little bit on what I just did. Hold on. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, let me turn it down. Oh, yeah, y'all just bear with me real quick. I'm trying to figure this out. This is my first time going live. I used to stream. Alright, yeah. I used to stream on Twitch, so I had Twitch figured out. This is my first time on YouTube. So give me 1 second real quick. I just want my Streamlabs to pull up. I'll be happy. Hold on. Yeah. I'm trying. I'm trying to pull up my Streamlabs, but it's not wanting to pull up for some odd reason.
Okay, it's on the right over there. All you have to do is scroll down.
What you mean?
Like where the music and stuff is at? Where your desktop and stuff is?
Yeah, I'm talking about it's not pulling my Streamlabs isn't pulling up.
I won't worry about it. I just keep talking to you now. Got 4 viewers. Let's go.
Is the quality clear?
Yeah.
But I need my Streamlabs to pull up so I can look at my. Yeah. All right. I just need. I got the chat. I just need my Streamlabs to pull back up so I can do my scenes and stuff. It's not pulling up. For some reason. That's weird. 5 viewers though. That's tough.
Yeah, that's why I said I
Like everything on this side of the screen, like even the YouTube video, none of it. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and start talking. You said what? Yeah, that's why I need my Streamlabs to come up. Like, I need that. Is it coming through my stream? you should be able to probably hear me now. You can? Okay. Alright. Alright. Now we in business. Let's go. Alright. Man. Let me do this. Alright. Okay, now we got the stream going. We got 4 people in here. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Where's my water? Here we go. Today is about to be a lovely and amazing day. I'm super excited. It's the first stream for Your Daily Investor. I'm pumped about that. I'm very pumped about that. We have a lot of stuff to talk about, especially this week. This week was a crazy week. It was totally unexpected, but I enjoyed every bit of it. Watching, the little dogs beat the big dogs. That was amazing to watch. So, but Rod, what's up, Rod, man? What's up, man? Rod, your call outs, B. You got some great call outs, man. You got some great call outs. I can definitely give you that. And Millennial Stock Investor, the GOAT, man. What's up? What is up? Millennial Stock Investor, if y'all haven't watched Millennial Stock Investor, make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. MSI is what we call him. He has great, amazing content. His quality is amazing. You will be intrigued by the content. So if you haven't subscribed to his channel or go check his channel out, make sure you go do that. I watch every single video that he posts, so make sure you go subscribe to his channel. But we got a lot to talk about this week. We got a lot to talk about. So if you are in the chat, make sure you leave a comment so I can see who you are, so I can call you out. I want to know who everybody is that's part of the pioneers, because we're pioneers. Which that's kind of funny how I came up with that name. Well, me and my brother were talking about it. He was like, I actually like that name. And I started looking up definitions of pioneers, and I was like, I like that, because that basically defines what I'm trying to do, what we're trying to do, as a whole, as a family, with this movement that, there's so many people that's getting into the stock market now. You got millennials, you got, what they call it, generation, the 2000s generation, the Z generation or X generation, something like that. You even got them getting a part of it, like being a part of the stock market now. There's a lot of new people that's a part of the stock market now. So, and there's a lot of people that never, has been a part of it, that are pioneers. They're starting this for the first time. So it's a stepping stone for them to create generational wealth, or, for them, their family, their family's family, their children, the children to come. It's something that's beautiful to watch, and that's why I wanted to start this channel, for each and every one of us to all grow together and learn as well. Like I said, there's still a lot of things that I need to learn, that I have to learn myself, but I enjoyed the learning process. And that's why, with this channel, when I get different comments for, it's funny to me getting comments from other people that are just beginning, and I'm being able to answer those questions and being able to help them out. I love that. Even knowing that I have a lot more room to grow, but I can answer a lot of questions for new investors. I love that, and I will continue to do that. So, that's a little candle right here in the background. So let me see. We're gonna go to the portfolio. We're gonna go to the portfolio. We're gonna talk about the portfolio first, in the infamous Robinhood. Oh, Robinhood. Boy, oh boy. So I got a lot to talk about with Robinhood. Whole Robinhood. My. It's a couple stocks I want to talk about too. And also, I want to also talk about the future of the market, because the future of the market is so much uncertainty right now going forward. But I think that this is a great opportunity for us to still take advantage of the dips. We don't know. We do know that there's going to be a correction coming soon. We don't know, I know a lot of you guys know who Chris Sane is. Chris Sane is talking about a 7 to 10% correction, possibly 15. That right there probably is soon to come still, or this right here might be the correction, with all the Gamestop and AMC going on, because there's a lot of stocks like Apple. Apple just blew their earnings out the roof. Facebook as well. and Apple had a $111 billion quarter, 111 billion in one quarter, and their stock plummeted. Like, that is mind blowing. But it's because everybody's pulling their money out and they're jumping into GameStop, AMC, Cost, Nokia. I jumped in CTRM. I actually, if you see right here, I guess you guys can already see that I'm in AMC. I jumped in with 25 shares. I wanted to go to max and do 115, but you know, you gotta practice risk to reward ratio. I weighed my risk, but I scaled my reward. The risk to reward is this right here is an amazing one. You know, if I chopped it down, if it goes down to about what I said, if it goes down like $10 with 25 shares, that's only going to be $250. I can afford to lose $250. But say if it squeezes all the way up to say 50 or 100, like that right there, their reward is way it's higher. It's better than the risk. So it's a great trade to take. I feel like, and with everybody, you know, we're all rocking together to, you know, to pump AMC to the moon, well, to Pluto. I seen somebody say go to Pluto, but you know, I like it. I think it's smart to do, especially, but you know, like I said, you got to really outweigh your risk. And 25 shares for me was pretty good. It's pretty good. But you know, just before we really get into anything, well, let's talk about Robinhood first, because I know that's like the first thing I have on my thumbnail about Robinhood. If you can hear me, I want somebody to type in the chat to make sure if you guys can hear me real well before I move on. It's my. Yeah, can somebody put in the chat if you can hear me real well? Bet. MSI is still in here. Like I said, if y'all haven't checked out his channel, make sure you go check out his channel. He has amazing content. And look, we're also on the road. We're also on the road to not 500K. I don't know why I said 500K. We're on the road to 200 subs. I don't know where I got 500K from. Not yet. It's coming, but not yet. But look, also leave a like for the video so they help me out with the YouTube algorithm. It'll push the live stream, because I really want to. I do plan on going live more often, and I do have a few collaborations coming forward with some live content as well. Also collabs and future videos as well. So those are going to be bangers. I promise you that. And as the content, you know, as we continue to grow on YouTube, the content is going to get better. You know, and I just can't wait to, you know, I cannot wait to just be consistent and grow with you guys. I really can't. I cannot wait. I'm excited. I've been putting in a lot of hours into this. You know, I'm a manager at Walmart. I work minimum 10 hours a day. And you know, being salary, you know, I'm on call all the time as well. And you know, like one day last week, I went to work at like 12 in the afternoon. I didn't get off till 5 in the morning. And like that right there, yes sir, speaking into existence, yes sir, speaking into existence. 500K is on the way. You know, I know you guys seen how fast Chris saying, a lot of all these other YouTubers, even YouTubers that's not even in the finance sector. You know, I've been watching YouTube like strongly for about since 2015, and I've seen a lot of content creators just grow. And all you have to do is remain consistent. And you have to really just remain consistent with, you know, not just with YouTube, but with anything you do in life. You know, if you want to, you know, work out, if you want to, you know, eat healthy, you know, change your mindset, you have to be consistent. Like, change your mindset. You have to be consistent with reading books, doing personal development every day. And look, if you guys do not do personal development, make sure you do personal development. It is very important for you guys to do. I have this book right here, Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. I love this book. Love this book. And it's funny to me, I say I love this book and I'm only like 4 pages in, but but them 4 pages have, you know, a lot of already like of wake up calls that you need, you know, to know. Like it's a good book, and I really do recommend. That's on my goals on my wall. I have to make sure I read more books this year. That's one of the things that I want to do, is for sure read more books. But look, all right. So we're gonna talk about BNGO first. Well, no. First of all, like I said, we're gonna talk about Robinhood first before we get into this. Let me get off this because I want to look. All right. So about Robinhood, what they did the other day, that was actually yesterday. What they did with these shares, I think what they limited at first, they limited with AMC. You can get 115 shares, which for them to limit how many shares, for them to limit what we can buy, spend our money on, is already, that's already crazy. That's ridiculous. But they limited to 115 at the start of the day, right? And so then, towards like the time for the market was about to close, they limited down to, I think it was 10 shares. It was 10 shares. So like I was telling my brother, if they would have done that at the start of the day, they would have only opened with 10 shares at the start of the day instead of 115, and then changing from 115 to 10 at the end of the day. That made them look so bad. For some reason, it made them look like they were really trying to help the big institutions win, because we know 10 shares is not enough to do anything. 115 is not enough to really do anything, especially when it comes to trying to beat these big institutions. They have billions of dollars. So 10 shares, 115 shares isn't enough. So I didn't like that. And they had it where you can only buy like one share of Starbucks, one share of Curious, like what's the point of even giving us one share? Like, you might as well just say we can't trade the stock. Like one share, like really? That was mind blowing to me. It made no sense. And so I've been doing research on other platforms. I'm not saying I'm leaving Robinhood, but I think it's definitely good for you guys to, especially now with what happened yesterday, to just look into other platforms. I looked into one called SoFi last night, and they're supposed to be merging, well, going public. I think it's ticker symbol IPOE right now, and they exploded. The price went up tremendously the other day because of Chamath, which he's the CEO of the SPAC that they're merging with, and he had said positive news about us little guys winning. That they're going to be, SoFi is going to be the actual platform for the little guys, and I like that. And so I guess a lot of other people like that too, because the stock just spiked up. And I want to talk about, as we continue, I'm gonna go right here because we're gonna go on to AMC, right? AMC. But I really wonder how things are gonna play out Monday. Is Robinhood going to keep the limit to 10 shares, or are they gonna just remove it? And Webull, their CEO came out and stated the reason why they stopped trading, and it made total sense. But Robinhood CEO had the chance to explain it to us and give it to us cut and dry, straight and simple. He had the limelight, he had the spotlight, all lights were on him, and he bombed it. He bombed the interview. It was sad. And I like Robinhood. A lot of people like Robinhood because it's very simple. It's so simple, to maneuver around. Like, it's user friendly. It even looks good. It looks great. And so I don't want to get rid of Robinhood. I'm probably not going to get rid of Robinhood. I do have a Webull as well, and I do have videos coming out about the Webull. That's going to be something special. Actually, I cannot wait. That's a collaboration video. Actually, the Webull video. So stay tuned to that. But yeah, just search and look for other platforms. I've heard the Larry Jones. I know a lot of you guys probably know who Larry Jones is. He's another stock guy, huge stock guy. He was one of the pioneers on YouTube to kind of help start this movement. But he's always said just diversify and be into a lot of different brokers. I know Richard Allen. It's a lot of them. They have different brokers. So look, we're just gonna look. We're gonna play it out and see what Robinhood does this next week coming up, and see if they drop the ball. If they drop the ball, then I guess we probably might just have to leave them alone. But we'll see. We'll see. I like Robinhood, so we'll see. But let's talk about AMC. AMC. All right, fractional shares are currently position closing only. Look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this. Like, why? Why? Oh my God. Okay. So I want you guys to see. So I'm down $23.25 right now in AMC. I am going to hold AMC to the moon. I'm not letting go of it. I'm holding it to the moon. I'm part of the hold the line. You know, a lot of these guys be funny in like a lot of these in like Reddit or these other platforms like Stock Twits, when they just be in there hold the line, boys. Like Arthur has me rolling when they be saying that. So I decided to hold the line. I was gonna be a frontline soldier. You know, we're gonna go to the moon together. So look, I hope some of you guys. Well, I hope some of you guys did, but if you guys felt well, you know, to get in it, I hope you got in to AMC, because come Monday we're supposed to get a good little squeeze Monday, and Monday's not gonna be the full squeeze. So I just want to hold on. I just want to show this chart right here. This is my baby right here, trading view. Hold on. Trying to get a. I'm gonna look at the. Okay. This chart is so weird because of how. Let me go to the daily. Okay. So this right here. Let me move this. This was January 27th right here. This was January 28th, and this right here is January 29th. Okay. So you can see just right here on the daily. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It went from, okay, so it went up to 20 and they sold this thing all the way off. This is the long wick right here. My lord. Sold it all the way off to what, $11. Alright, then the next day it opened right here, shot all the way up and then went back down. And so this right here is when the squeeze is supposed to occur. So come Monday, let me go down to, matter of fact, let me go down to a 30-minute chart, right? Yeah, I'm gonna look at the 30-minute. 30-minute looks more, 30-minute looks cleaner, right? Okay. So come Monday, this right here is what we're to expect, right? So it's crazy how we stuck with $13. I was really, when Robinhood changed the share count to only 10, right? Because you know Robinhood has, I think Robinhood has a lot. Robinhood has a lot of people that's on the app, and so Robinhood is very important. A lot of people on Robinhood is very important to push some of these stock prices up. You know, we have a lot of people with a lot of money on Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Webull, but I really do think Robinhood has a huge effect when it comes to pushing some of these, because we have so many people on this platform. So I was really surprised to see the stock price, you know, really hang right here. I'm not even sure if other platforms even limited their shares. I don't think so. I just know Robinhood was highlighted, and Robinhood right now, honestly, they're not the only one that, you know, screwed up and dropped the ball. You know, it'll make sense too. What Webull came out and said, it made total sense. Nobody was mad at Webull. I'm not mad at Webull. We understand it had everything to do with their clearinghouse. If Robinhood was to just say that, it'll make total sense. But you know, I don't know what Robinhood was trying to say, to be honest. But look right here. So you had this right here was one part. This right here was a squeeze. Right here. This was the first squeeze that we did. Shot up, right, hit right here, came all the way down, came all the way back down, and it shot back up. It retested right here at $20, right? So what we need to see, first of all, before we get back up here to this $20 range with AMC, we want to see it come right here. We want to get right here to about $15. This is what we need to break. Once we break around $15 right here, if we can break this range, well, I even say what, really 16.46 around this area right here. If we can break this area come Monday, we're gonna shoot the $20 for sure. We're gonna shoot the $20. It might. We're gonna probably. A lot of people are gonna probably sell off, and it's gonna push us back down to probably about $14. But I do believe we're gonna, squeeze up to 20. Now, once we break the $20 range, once we break this, it's a lot of shorts in this area right here. It's a lot of shorts in this area, and you can tell by how strong. Just look how strong this bearish candle is right here. Look how strong this is. My Lord. My Lord, it's some shorts in here. Now, once we can squeeze them out, hold on, let me pull my thing out right here. Hold on, all right. So if we can squeeze them out, like right here, all right. So once we squeeze them out right here, then the next target was $40. Well, we'll say 30, but then 40. And what the goal is to try and push this to $100. Now the short float did get decreased, because I think AMC was shorted like 85% at first, and now apparently it's at around 23, which is still crazy. You can still get good gains off of short interest like that, especially we have so many people behind this cause that. AMC, and the fact that GameStop is even still rolling like it is amazing. That is amazing, and I really think now that AMC is more of a more coming together effort than GameStop. GameStop's effort, for them to come together was tremendous. But now that a lot of people got into GameStop late, there's a lot of people that's on AMC early, and also AMC's price is cheaper right now than GameStop stock is. Oh my God, it's a tongue twister. But look, I think AMC to come Monday is going to be a beautiful sight. I cannot wait. That's why I went ahead and I just purchased 25 shares. Because you have to weigh your risk to reward ratio. You don't want to gamble too much, because this right here is strictly a gamble. That's all this is. We're gonna just keep it real and be honest. This right here is a gamble, and you want to be able to. Don't put in the money if you can't afford to lose the money. Do not put the money in, because if something was to just terribly go wrong, right? Even if this right here was to drop all the way down to $1, I've weighed in that risk. I'm fine with it. It's fine with me. If I would have bought 100 shares of AMC and it went all the way down from $1 to, I bought it at what, $14.38, right? Now, if it would have went down to $1 from there, if I bought 100 shares, oh no, oh yeah, that'd been that'd been nasty. That'd been nasty. Ugh. All right, but look, we're gonna start. Let's talk about BNGO. How many of you guys are in BNGO? Are any of you in BNGO? Let me know if any of you are in Bio-Nano-Genomics. Let me know. And also, if you aren't subbed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It'll help your boy out. We're trying to grow to 200K. I still plan on dropping a video tonight, so be ready and be looking out for that. It's 5:09. My Lord, I got some grinding to do. Man, I got some grinding to do, but it's okay. I'm fine doing it. But y'all, let me know if y'all in Bio-Nano-Genomics. Let me know. Let's see. Bio-Nano-Genomics. Genomics. All right. Y'all about to see my favorite movie pop up. I'm gonna click on it. Y'all gonna see it, yeah. Bumblebee. Yes, sir. MSI, the GOAT is still in here. Y'all, for him hanging out in here, make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, please. I'll say this. Only subscribe if you like the content. That means more than just subscribing. If you actually like the content and you are going to be a great supporter because you actually like the content, then subscribe. I don't want anybody to subscribe, just to subscribe, because if you're not gonna watch the content, it's pointless. I mean you can't look at this as also helping out, just help the number go up. But what you want a strong and this was anything like you want a strong supportive base, right? You want a strong supportive base. You don't want anybody to just be there just to be there. You want, you know, a strong base that's going to actually support you, right? But his content is fire, so you'll like his content. Woo! All right. So Bionanogenomics, right? We're going to talk about this one. Because this is one, as you see, I got a position built out. I got 50 shares at $10.92. And this stock is going to explode. Kathy Woods, I'm pretty sure they're going to put this in their ARKG portfolio. Which their ARKG portfolio is, it's an amazing, let's go look at it. Hold on. Let's go look at it. ARKG. Alright. ARKG. This is the ARKG portfolio. This is this ETF, ARKG, right? This ETF, the past year, look at this. Just look at this. 198, 200% basically. This ETF is up 200%. Kathy Woods she's the GOAT. She knows what she's doing. That's just ARKG, right? So let's look at ARKK. Look at this one. 1 year. 159%. If you're going to invest in an ETF, I really highly recommend ARK. I mean, with, you know, Kathy Wood, she's very vocal, she's very active. That's what you want to see. You want to see the CEOs is very active over their portfolios. Not CEOs. Kathy Wood is very active over hers. Let's go to ARKW, right? 149%. 149%. Kathy Woods knows what she's talking about. Let's go to another one. ARKQ. This is one, you know, this. Boy, I wish I would have gotten to this one early. 124%. ARK they're killing it. So ARKO. I don't even know. Oh. Never mind. That has nothing to do with it. Never mind. But, you know, my thing is that ARK Invest, Kathy Woods, she's killing it. So with BNGO is a great company to invest in, because if Kathy Woods buys ARK Invest buys BNGO, the stock price is going to shoot up. It's going to go up regardless, because the company is a great company. They have great things. They do great things. It's a great company. So you probably want to catch this on a dip, right? Like, I'm so upset I didn't get in right there. I'm so upset about this. $9.82. I'm super upset about that. Super upset about that. But it's okay, because you know, the market next week, if, you know, the AMC and GameStop madness continues, the market is going to continue to be down, which is creating buying opportunities. So you want to see, I think we'll probably get $9 and around $9.82 again. I think we'll get it one more time. But I would love for it to drop down to $8. If BNGO drop down to $8, I promise you, I'm going to load the boat. I promise you. My. You talking about a boat being loaded. We talking about Noah's Ark. You talking about Noah's Ark boat loaded. But look, all right, let's go. I don't know, my thing right here on, I don't have this right here. You know, this week, let's see. This week, I'm down $538. Hold on. All right, yeah. I'm down $538 for this week. I think everybody was down this week. Chris Sane, I know a lot of guys, I know you know who Chris Sane is. Chris Sane was down like, what, 5,000 this week. Like, the market the overall market is down. If you're not in Nokia, Cost, GameStop, AMC, if you're not in any of those, then I'm pretty sure your portfolio is down. And don't get discouraged. These are number buying opportunities. These are buying opportunities. You know, I had to sit back because I was, you know, just looking at my portfolio, and I was like, man, it's so much, you know, it's a lot of uncertainty right now in the market that, you know, going forward, how is trading going to be, right? how is trading about to be going forward? Because now that, we see the potential, if we come together and we see the potential of what we can do, if we come together and, raise some of these stock prices up, how are we going to trade the same going forward? So the SEC, they have the potential to stabilize this situation. Now they can drop the ball, or they can, over-regulate, in which that's what we don't want them to do. We do not want them to over-regulate. We hope they see, why. We hope they see why Wall Street Bets started this movement in the first place. Because these hedge funds and some of these big companies, it's ridiculous how. So when they, start losing money, everything is not okay then. But you got us. Now you had some people that's out here committing suicide over losing some of their money, but nobody cares. But the hedge funds, the billionaires, lose their money, then it's a problem. Then that's when we need to regulate things. And then that's when they call us, we're people at home getting government checks, and we're investing into the market, don't know what we're doing. It was one of them that said that, which I think is sad. That's sad to even say that. But yeah, it's just wild. It's mind blowing to me. But look, let's get back to this. I wanted to show my face. All right. Well, look, this is the first live stream, 7 viewers. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I just want you guys to put a like on the video to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. It'll very much appreciate it. I really feel like doing an intro right here. What's the knowledge plan? I'll just play it. All right. We're going to go on to NNDM. We're going to talk about NNDM. All right. NNDM. Nano Dimensions. Boy, oh boy. This one right here, I'm still up 9%. This one right here has took me on a roller coaster ride. I really wish before I bought more shares. That's why I did say, I said I want 125, and I have 105 right here. Dang, Jesus. But look, the reason why I haven't bought more of this is because I know it's going to go down again next week because of the market and the volatility, and with everybody's going to be in Gamestop AMC, right? I mean, to be honest, let me be honest with you. Let me get back to AMC real quick. To be honest, come Monday, I might want to load the boat at AMC. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all gonna have to hold me back from this one. Cause look, I might just say screw it and load the boat. If they let us buy 115 more shares come Monday, sheesh, just imagine, right? If we go to $100, just imagine. Oh my God. But if it went down 10, oh my. So that's too risky. That's why I bought 25. But I do come Monday, I do want to load the boat. I really do want to load the boat. I really do. I really do. But let's go back to Nano Dimensions. All right. This one right here is one that I want you guys to make sure that you are looking at and that you're going to get in. I'm not a financial advisor. Yes, I know. I'm supposed to say that. But this one right here, I know the potential in this one. Hell, everybody on YouTube knows the potential of this one. That's why we talk about it. They have a technology that I want to show you guys a video. I don't know if I get copyrighted, but this dragonfly printer that they have, it allows a lot of companies that create devices that even just create certain things like with technology. They can do all this stuff in-house. A lot of times they have to send their prototypes and other things like that to third party companies and let them do it, and it takes the process can be it can take a while. But if they can do a lot of this stuff in-house, like I think one of the things was it was a dang, what was it? Some type of chip for a device. They were able to do a 3D printing of the chip in the office and do all the little scans and everything they need to do on the site instead of sending it away to a third party company. So this company right here, Nano Dimensions, they have a lot of upside. So this is one I do want you guys to make sure you look at. I know I done made like 2 videos talking about this one because this one right here has a lot of room to grow. It's going to grow. And Captain Woods, I think ARK Invest already invested in Nano Dimension. So for sure, look at that one. Now let's talk about this one, because my lord, hold on, Tattoo Shelf. Now I beat myself up about Tattoo Shelf because I played this one poorly. Right? I will admit that I played this. Well, I won't even say I played it poorly. I mean, the market just changed, right? So I came in and I bought this. During the week I bought this. It was like $26.41. I averaged all the way down to $25.92. Diversity is 40%. I want Tattooed Shelf it's going to continue to go down because of the way the market is set up right now. But I really want Tattoo Shelf. Once I break even with Tattoo Shelf, I'm trimming my position. You know, I did say in a couple videos ago I was going to hold this one out because I know my price target for my short term price target for Tattoo Shelf is around $35-ish, $38. And then I was going to trim my 36 shares and hold it long term. But once I break even with Tattoo Shelf, I'm gonna go ahead and trim. I'm gonna do I want 125 shares of this, so I'm gonna trim off 13 shares, or the 13.37. I'm gonna trim those off because I want that to lower. I want to lower my portfolio diversity with this stock right here because it's too much of my portfolio. It's too much. So I'm gonna trim this once I break even. Because look at this, which is fine. I don't care. I don't care about being down 10%. With Tattoo Shelf, and a lot of this right now is because of the way the market is. A lot of people are down huge with some of these plays because of the way the market is. You know, everybody's trying to get into all the hot stocks like AMC and Gamestop and COS. And let's go to this one real quick, because this one right here, I'm not gonna lie to you, this pissed me off with CTRM, right? This right here, literally, I was pissed. Let's go down to here, right? So I was able to get in $800, right? So I bought, hold on, let's show more. So look right here. So January 27th is when I bought 1,000 shares, right, of CTRM. This one right here was supposed to be a major squeeze too. This one had the potential to be, because this one I think at the time was shorted the most after GameStop, CTRM, and it had the potential to push. You know, Naked had a run from like 35 cents to $3, that's huge. That's amazing. And so I got in CTRM. I bought 1,000 shares at 47 cents, right? And so then it pulled back, and I went ahead and I bought some more shares. I put 100 more. I bought 100 shares, which was $46, and then it pulled back again, and I bought some more. And so this was the time right here when I was up like 115%. I was up. You see, look at this. See, they don't even have it on here no more. They don't even have it on here no more, which is crazy. But look, it was at like 90. No, we pushed CTRM all the way up to $1.05, right? And so that morning we were supposed to, CTRM was going to fly to the moon. CTRM was going to probably go to about $5 that day. We was going to push CTRM to $5. You know, I would have, man, that was, oh my gosh. But Robinhood got on the nonsense, and they made the positions. They made it to where we can only sell out of our positions. So when other people on other platforms noticed that, because a lot of them are waiting on Robinhood. They were waiting for Robinhood, you know, to allow us to trade, because they know once Robinhood, you know, everybody else can trade the pre-market except Robinhood, from my knowledge, right? So, which would have been 8 o'clock Central Time for me, is when I would be able to trade Robinhood, and 7 o'clock is when they, you know, put on their, they made it to where it's a sell only position, and when people found out about that, so us on Robinhood, we couldn't do anything about it. Everybody else that's in pre-market, they were able to sell out their positions at $1 or 95 cents. We on Robinhood, we had to wait till 8 o'clock to be able to sell out of our position. So that's market manipulation at its finest. That was not fair for us, right? Everybody else was able to catch the sale and sell out at $1, right? So I end up selling out. What price I end up selling out at? That's 64 cents. 64 cents. I had to sell out of CTRM, which is mind blowing. I could have sold out of CTRM at $1, but with Robinhood being on the nonsense, I couldn't. So I just think that's just mind blowing to me, mind blowing. But look, I just really wanted to get on here and talk and just show. I ain't talk about APXT. Hold on. Let me do this before I wrap up. I'm about to probably wrap up here in a second. I just wanted to really get on here and talk and do my first live stream, because I am going to be doing more live streams. It's going to be a lot of, actually the live streams are going to be the content. I'm going to provide more humor and, just open up more to you guys, because that's what I want to do. I used to stream live on Twitch. I love actually being live. That's why I actually bought a webcam. Pretty expensive webcam at that, because I wanted to make sure I have great quality for live streams, because I actually like doing live streams. So I will be doing a lot more in the future. This is just kind of a starter live stream. I wanted to get, we're close to 200 subs. I was trying to push to 200, but I still will be posting a video tonight, so be looking out for that one. And I'm planning on, the way my schedule is at work, it's kind of tough. I do want to post earlier. I hate when I post late at night, but I still want to be able to provide content for you guys, so that's why I still do it. But I do plan on posting earlier than what I usually do when I have the chance to. Right? So look, let's talk about APXT. Right? This one, my lord, you talk about patience. Patience. If patience was a word, it would be Apex Technologies. Because, man, we're just waiting on the news. And the sad thing is, well, I won't even say it's sad, but Microsoft blew out their earnings, right? And their cloud space had a lot to do. Their cloud space had a lot to do with them blowing their earnings out. So Microsoft shot out. Everybody was expecting the next day. We was expecting Apex to shoot up because of Microsoft blowing their earnings out the window. I mean, out the water, out the roof, wherever you want to put it. But it fell. It just fell. But that's because everything else fell in the market. Like I said, Apple's down, Facebook's down, the overall Dow and S&P is down because all of really big tech, all the big huge companies that carries the market, really, they're down. So, Apex Technology, this one right here, this is a hold for sure. Definitely a hold. And it's actually a time where it's giving us, it dipped all the way down to $14.53. All right. You can dip by this easily. I'm not doing it though, because I already have 150 shares at 15.16 with a 28% portfolio diversity. So I'm not dip buying it. I'm just holding it. But if you want to build your position down in this one, you can dip by this. All right. So look, I just wanted to say that. Just wanted to tell you guys that, and I want you guys, before I go, to look at my hoodie. It says rapper, athlete, no, investor, and it says millionaire movement right there. I just want you guys to look at that. I like this hoodie. My sister made it for me, and I truly do like it. So look, guys, I'm going to end the stream here. I just want to get on here and talk, really, just to get used to my first live stream, and just say hey to you guys. We're almost close to 200 subs. I don't know where my music went to, but we're close to 200 subs. I'm excited about that. We're growing fast, actually. We're growing pretty fast. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me, that you guys offer. I truly do appreciate that. Cause look, the goal here, like I mistakenly said 500K earlier, but I said that on mistake, but it's real. It's going to happen. It's going to happen one day. We're going to be 500K strong. It's going to happen. And I cannot wait. But look, I'm going to enjoy the journey. I want to enjoy the journey. And like Chris saying, I like when he say it, everybody see the end result, but they don't everybody see the end result and they don't something with the journey. 188 out of 200. So we got so we gained another sub. Okay. We gained a sub during the stream. Look, I appreciate that. Now we got 12. 12 more to 200. 12 more subs to 200. Let's go. Matter of fact, hold on. I got something for y'all. Nah, never mind. It's gonna get copyrighted. Never mind. Let's go. So look, we got 12 subs away. 12 subs away from 200. If you guys can, make sure you go, put a like on the video for me. It'll help. It'll spread, the content out there for more people to see. Like I said, we're gonna grow. I'm excited. I'm super pumped about that. We're pioneers. I cannot wait. Man, very few consider the journey. Yeah, everybody see the end result, but very few consider the journey. I like that. Appreciate that, MSI. Appreciate that. And like I said, go subscribe to his channel because his content is amazing. He has fire content, straight fire content. So make sure you go subscribe to his channel. His content so fire. It just made me get hot. It could just be the hot. It could just be the hoodie, but my lord. Sheesh. It's a little stuffy in here. Well, look, guys. I'm going to end the live stream there. We're almost at 200 subs. I thank you guys for the support. It is amazing. We're going to keep killing this thing. Man, this is going to be an amazing journey for this year. I cannot wait to see the end results. And I do hope each and every one of you guys stick with me because, like I said, we're going to be a family. I just cannot wait to grow. Laugh aloud, haha. Thanks, family. Hey, no problem. Thank you for providing the great content. I appreciate it. Content is amazing. Your content actually, pushes me to continue to strive and do better. So I appreciate that. I appreciate it. So look, guys, family, I'm going to end the stream here. I appreciate you guys for being here. We're going to do more live streams in the future. And really, I got some collaboration live streams that we're going to do. We're going to collab with a special YouTuber. I'm not going to say his name now, but it's going to be a special YouTuber. And I cannot wait to show you guys and do the stream with him, for everybody. So I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to, this content I'm about to post for tonight's video. So like I said, make sure you guys look out for that video. And yeah, we out of here. 12 subs away from 200. Make sure you leave a like on the live stream. I appreciate it. And look, without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next. Not just playing. That's my end. Well, look, I'm out of here, guys. Have a blessed rest of your day. And thank you guys for being on the. Thank you guys for showing up on the stream. I appreciate it. So look, I'll see you guys in the video that I post tonight. So